this car started. So let's get going to the next one, and it's a busy car park. Friday afternoon, just got to be careful. I'm just going to go right here. It's not about speed. I'll do right again. And with car parks like this, you've got to be doubly careful. You can't take anything for chance. Hopefully, oh, she's going that way, making it a little bit easier. And I'm doing about 10 miles an hour at the moment. I'm in second gear, just trickling out, expecting people to step out, expecting cars to reverse out. And there's the petrol station there, it's full, it's a little tailback. So the thing is, when you're driving round getting out of car parks, especially on a Friday afternoon, it is going to be a little bit crazy. I'm going to go left out of here, slowing down, pop it in first gear, and then following the road ahead. And this is the thing, you've got to be extra careful because you're never sure what's going to happen. And then coming out of here now, it looks fairly clear, nothing too tricky. There's a heavy goods vehicle on the right, looks like a McDonald's vehicle, and a bit of traffic at the junction here. Just taking my time watching for the cars, make sure they can see me. I don't want to kind of assume that they can see me because it could be the worst thing going at that point. You've got to watch out, expect people to do silly things in front of you. And we're going to go left at the main road. So we're checking, signalling, slowing down, dropping gear, and I'm off. Back up to third, and carrying on. And I'll do a left turn to the state. Dropping down a second, check in, nice and clear, and I'm carrying on. Check in, signalling, and we're done. So that's a quick one on getting out of the car park.